Whoa, hold on. Imagine the zombie apocalypse just started right now. Would you survive, or be zombie lunch before sunset? Most people wouldn't last 24 hours. Let's see how you can outlive the end of the world. Quick, comment below. How many days do you think you'd last? And hit subscribe to join the Survivors Club. First rule, shelter. Zombies don't knock, they just crash through. Find a stronghold. High ground, locked doors, no glass walls. Sorry, modern architecture lovers. Rule 2, weapons. And no, this won't cut it. Improvised weapons work. Frying pans, bats, even a shovel. Just don't bring a rubber chicken unless you want a funny death. Zombies don't sleep, but you still need to eat. Stockpile canned food, water, and essentials. Sorry, your Uber Eats driver isn't coming back. You'll need allies. Movies lie. Lone wolves usually become lone snacks. Trust is tricky, but a group can watch your back. Just don't team up with Chad. Chad always screams too loud. Shh, noise brings death. Stay quiet. No fireworks, no yelling, no TikTok dances. Zombies love influencers. Always have an exit plan. And no, Fortnite building skills don't count. Rivers, boats, mountains, natural barriers help. Zombies aren't great swimmers, probably. Okay, supplies, weapons, shelter, but let's be real. The hardest battle isn't zombies, it's your brain. Fear, stress, and paranoia destroy more survivors than zombies ever do. You'll need a clear mind, because panic makes you loud, and loud makes you lunch. Surviving zombies is one thing, but surviving your own stink, whole other level. Bad hygiene means infections, sickness, and low morale. Clean wounds, boil water, brush your teeth, even in the apocalypse. Because let's be real, nobody wants to be taken out by a toothache instead of a zombie. You might dream of Mad Max cars with spikes, but fuel runs out fast. Bikes, skateboards, even rollerblades. Quiet, reliable, and no gas needed. Cars are noisy. Horses, good, unless the horse gets hungry and runs off. Okay, so you've survived the first few weeks. Now what? You can't eat canned beans forever. Think farming, rainwater collection, renewable resources. In other words, becoming Minecraft Steve in real life. Congratulations. You're now a farmer with a machete. At some point, life won't be about just surviving. It'll be about rebuilding. Communities form, rules change, and the world resets. The survivors who adapt fastest become the new leaders. So, you know how to fight zombies, survive hunger, and even deal with humans. But what if the apocalypse didn't start by accident? What if the zombies were created on purpose? And worse, what if the outbreak was just stage 1? Hit subscribe and join the Survivors Club, because next time we're uncovering the truth behind where zombies actually come from.